subscribe and like the video, or this spider will be at your bed tonight. Just kidding, but yeah, I don't speak, and yeah, so I'm just gonna voice over every day. So we got me making cookies today, and yeah, so as you can see, I'm putting some powder that I forgot what it was called. So yeah, that sucks. So
95.
looks like I'm making it.
Where's the
I'm
measuring
putting
cup? It's here.
some. I'm make sure that it's 95 grams, and yeah, so I'm just gonna just talk. Yeah, I don't know what I just said. Now I'm putting choco powder in the powder. Yeah, that sounded good. Okay, now I'm putting milk powder, I think, and then yeah, it looks tasty for now. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and yeah, just keep talking to you guys and voice overing this entire video, because I didn't clearly say anything in this thing. So yeah, okay, looks like I'm adding some powder again, brown powder, like chocolate powder. Don't ask why I smelled it, it just smelled good. Now looks like we're putting it somewhere else. And yeah, by the way, my mom recorded all of this. Fun fact. Yay. So next we just put some butter. Now we're gonna put some water in it. Look at this satisfying thing. Okay, the stirring part. The butter mixed with the ingredients, and yeah, what others, yeah, the powders. So yeah, this looks really I don't know, but as you can see, I'm doing it, and of course the worker is a lot better than me. And now it looks like brown thing, like poo. Yeah, don't ask why I said that. So yeah, looks like he fixed my bean. Now we are gonna see the satisfying part, where first I'm gonna put my hands into some gloves that don't really fit my hands, because I'm a 9-year-old. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep voice overing, and look at that. Okay, it kinda looks weird, but yeah, I'm just picking up the thing and then mixing it with my gloves. So let's see the satisfying thing. And yeah, it's night right now. I'm voice overing this at night. So yeah, look at that. Very satisfying. Yes. Okay, it kinda looks out of context, but okay. Now I'm scrubbing it. Like scrubbing it. Yes. So yeah, very satisfying. Look at that. Yeah. So you can scrub it around. It's like ASMR, but you can't hear it. Yeah, very satisfying. You smash it. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Very satisfying. Now it's flat. Now you have to make it like a ball. Ball, 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 ball. Yeah. So yeah. I don't know what I really want to say, but I don't know. yeah, so I think I ran out of words, so let's just see what I can say throughout this video with what I'm seeing. So looks like I'm making a ball, and then it looks like glue. Yes. Now I'm squishing it. Yeah, very, 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 very satisfying. Yes. Very satisfying. Now it looks like a burnt ass steak. By the way, subscribe to Steak. He is a good YouTuber. I don't know why. By the way, sorry guys if it's not that loud, but yeah. You can put on captions on, but the captions might be not captioning because captions are always so wrong especially on YouTube. Now we put the same thing, the cream powder, I think. Yeah, the cream powder. Now put more. Okay, looks good. Now I'm putting a bit more cream powder. I think I'm gonna put choco powder soon. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. First, I put some more to make sure I don't waste. Now I spread them a bit. It is very satisfying. By the way, if you don't know what I'm making, it's a cookie. You probably knew that, but yeah. So I am running out of words. Let's just see what I'm doing. So looks like I'm putting some choco powder mixed with the, wait, that's not that's, I don't know what to say. Or what to name it, but okay. I'm putting those things, and then basically I don't know what I'm doing, so gonna put some more from the ones that I missed. Okay, why do I keep saying yeah? Anyways, let's see what I'm gonna do. So looks like I'm putting the cookie there in a tray. I think I'm gonna put it in the microwave, and yeah, the video's gonna end soon. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Let's see. Okay, putting it up. I don't know what I just did. Okay, now we're gonna close the, wait, that's not a microwave, that's an oven. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Now you put it to 20, or I guess less than 20. And yeah, don't ask why I added this. I was just practice driving. Yeah, totally practice driving. Now I'm smelling my delicious cookie that that was not cream powder, guys. That was like styro, because there are some like places to play here, and then there was styro. Anyways, bye guys. Welcome to the outro. It will be playing in 3, 2, 1.